Ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Mubasumyo mwanchu muligereria chitariki ninye omutenyo kyanda mwaka w'ekiri Ibere na 2022 chinga kibono ne aliganire kurugaiga ase studio kumanye Amayia asenchera yobwenge bunagenderete gwateka ime na isiko yorogongo ruagusi na Kenya yonsi asibali moto bwatya wetra senchera ye mitandao no tole buna Ndizi TV News Digital abonensemo ya Facebook Naboigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube ende nabogo tweet at Ndizi TV News. Itukolia rero omurai bwense omachore Dr. William Ruto noare asensemo ya Njoro egotoka ensemo ya Njoro egotoka se county ya Nakuru abwase aikiranire amasabo yo gwakangambi yamono abwase ere amona babwata nikorwa Kenya kwanza baramo gwakiranya saingambi yamono ase okoba obobwi naboigo gusabira omurembe asense ya Kenya kerolitkolia ankyo amaisons y'abakenya aligereti ase kigambero ekenene ya Supreme eliokorwa okunacha ase kinakiriye igetiwe ase kigambere kyo yokwamireria obobwi bwaye Dr. William Ruto korwa somo bwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya na korwa se abakenya ao Boigo omugavana omachole bwe county ya Mombasa Abdul Hassan Abdul Swamad Nasir nere noara se kanisa ya Holy Ghost Cathedral asensemeyo wakiranya saingambi yamono nabamenyi be county ya Mombasa asoko mwali baga eliokobo murai asegeka kimya 5 erebosio ayo ngati yali na kwaliganira se chinse chigato yanyora senchira yobwenge nkoira nanda segeke kekerebosio egeren komanye ayo amuna yanda mange Ncheni wankoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita nolya tokubatarana komo asensemo yebimanyirilyo nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta tiga tuya chake korwa se county ya Nakuru abwa somurai bwensomo chole Dr. William Ruto na babwata nikorwa somo bwa Kenya kwanza vaikiranire asama sabo yo gwakangambi yamono na gwakiranya sae obarusiria tambe na koba obobwi abwa sabari no kwigena mnalitkolia ankyo ekigambere kenene gya Supreme ngechigosira obocholi bwabo abarandia korwase chikanisa ao nigo bali asensemeyo abwase basabire nyasaye koleto botoereru asense ya Kenya na gusabira banachebi na batano na babere abo batenerete kigambero gya Supreme bakora wano Musubati Chief Justice Martha Koome amana abande buna bakuru kuna chalitkolia ankyo ense ya Kenya egendere gutwara botoereru amo nomorembe.
Neno lako linatufundisha kwamba haki zote zatoka kwako na haki zetu wanadamu zinastahili kumulikwa na haki zako. Ndio maana tunakuja mbele zako Bwana kuwaombea wale majaji wote wa mahakama ya juu, tukimwombea jaji mkuu Bi Martha Koome pamoja na majaji hawa wengine wanaoketi kikao ili watuletee uamuzi wa kesho, ili Roho wako Mtakatifu awaongoze, watoe ndani yao ubinadamu, watoe ndani yao upendeleo, watoe ndani yao binafsi na watoe uamuzi utakaosaidia wananchi wote wa Kenya na kuleta Kenya mbele.
Omo waziri bwechisemi Professor George Magoha nigagendereire gusingira buna omorobelio omoya OCBC nigo genderete koiremeri na goteba bune ebirasi gosobwaga chibwe ebirasi bya CBC asense ya Kenya nigo bigenderete guika omoelio abwasa baigo akwanire igoro y'omorobelio o junior secondary abwasa boroki wabaguche goswaba grade isano na Ibere omwaka gocha omutienyi omutangani abwase kolengana na magoha atebire eserikali weterase wizara y'echisemi egenderete kubika emirobelio boikiranu na kwenekia buna esekta y'echisemi nguchere kogendera gotigara aseli bagali tangani abwasa bolirie ababwatani bonsi b'echisemi kubwaterana na kwenekia buna omurobelio bwogochora chisukuru asaborokiwa ba junior secondary school no genderete goika chitariki chitariki 10 cy'umutinyo yego kianda magega yogosukiwa kurwa chitariki 30 cy'umutinyo 5 na 3 mawaziri nigarenge ase county ya Kakamega litskole igoro.
Our children who are doing CBC, the grade 6 ones, have done most of their practicals, and they are basically just remaining with the other assessments which are written, being regimented by the Kenya National Examination Council. Everything is going on very well. The written test, which will be the final one, is scheduled for November. And we as a government have kept our eye on the ball. Everything is positive and possible. The exams will be done as required, and therefore we shall get back to normality in January of next year. The children are still being assisted to choose their schools. Their parents and teachers are involved in this process. And just to re-emphasize that for this grade 6 junior high school, there is going to be no cutthroat competition. The cutthroat competition will come in year 9 when we are going through the pathways. And you have seen, if your children are in CBC, you can already see that you can see what your child is likely to like doing, going by what is being done. I think if you watched the television yesterday, you saw some of them being taught how to fry eggs, some of them how to bake, and this is what life is all about. So we have agreed as a team that all the pending works, which are basically at roofing levels, shall be completed by tomorrow. Tomorrow ends at midnight. Is that not so, Banangao? True. It will be complete. I have seen the energy among my colleagues, both the Ngao people and my own staff, and I think it is a task that we shall deliver. Going by the global approach now, I've said that there are several regions. The first one to complete was the Central region, followed by the Northeastern region, followed by the Nyanza region. Eastern region is most likely going to be the next one, maybe by tomorrow. Western region, where there are children, must also complete, and that's why we are here.
Omorugi bw'omugavana ogosoka kurwase county ya Kakamega omoswati Priscilla Oparanya nigo agenderetie nomorobelio bw'obochenu asabasubati anena asaligete chinchira bene chokobanga na korobelio roiboro bunenchera yamoyo gotanga okonyora abana morobelio ndebwensi otaiyo omoswati Priscilla nigo bona boliria bagaka kubwatesia bangina babo asokoliga chinchira bene chokorobelio roiboro elio gwetanga konyora maba mange amoneme chando chinga kibono uchumi egenderete gokina asense ya Kenya niganya kwanete ase county ya Kakamega.
Na their stakeholders, opinion leaders kwa families, na hawa ndio wahusika sana kwa decisions that are make zile zinafanywa kwa family, ikija upande wa family planning, ikija upande wa mama mjamzito kwenda antenatal clinic, ikija upande wa mama kujifungulia katika hospitali, because mara nyingi wa mama wetu hawana kazi, wanategemea waume. Kwa hivyo waume wako na usemi mkubwa, kwa sababu hao ndio watafanya arrangement kwenye mama ataenda kuzalia na vile mama anafaa afike katika hiyo hospitali.
Nashukuru kwa sababu mwaka jana niliamua mimi mwenyewe niwe kiongozi katika nyumba langu na nikachukua jukumu ili niende nikapitie katika hiyo huduma ya vasectomy. Maanake kulikuwa na changamoto katika nyumba yangu, na nina watoto 6 kwa sasa, na mke wangu alikuwa anaona kwake si vyema ili aende, lakini mimi nikachukua hiyo jukumu la kuenda. Na nashukuru kutokea hapo nimeona mema katika familia yangu, nimeona mema katika nyumba yangu, nimeona amani. Hapo awali alikuwa na wasiwasi wakati wa kushirikiana katika ngono kwa sababu alikuwa anahofia kwamba angeweza kupata mimba tena. Lakini kwa sasa hayo hofu hayako na nimeona upendo kama umekuwa umezidi sana.
Tumejua ya kwamba katika kaunti yetu ya Kakamega and even the whole country, mostly in Africa countries, wanaume ndio the main decision makers katika familia zetu, na tumeona ya kwamba tukihusisha wanaume katika mambo ya uzazi wa wamama, naona kama tutapunguza vifo vya wamama wakati ambapo wanajifungua. Wamama wataweza kuwakumbusha wake zao kukuja katika kuleta watoto katika chanjo, hata kukuja for family planning. Mimba za mapema zimeweza kupungua kutoka 2019 tumekuwa na mimba za mapema 17,000 hadi sasa tuko na 14,000 ambazo tunaona ya kwamba First Lady amehusika sana kupunguza. Ameweza hata pia kutuwezesha kuona ya kwamba tuko na njia za kupanga uzazi katika hospitali zetu.
Abanyanyimbo korwase ensemo ya Embu gose county ya Embu nigo bagendrete ko barigia elyo ko babeka byara basacha babere au batogekanete gose barochekanete ase mtandao gose video abo bare koiba korwase enka eyemo korengana no manyene enkeyo nigo bona kwanete na barikia mangana abo igoro na goteba mnana kebirengo byobolendi beiranirense ase county eyo abo asabolira abanyanyimbo kubwatira n'ababwatani bonsi bobolendi kwene kyabuna ebikoro bunebyo mbirigo cha kwene kigwa ase amatukali bosio.
The matter hold through the fence. That is how they gained a pass entry to my compound. To my house, they attempted this front door. You can see the reinforcement I've done. That is how they went to a kitchen door. Though I had done reinforcement, which I thought was enough, I came to realize it is not. You've seen what I've done now. You've met the welders there doing more reinforcement. Yeah. So they struggled. They must have been very energetic people with very strong weapons. Here, evidence from who? Maybe the person I'm hearing is the one who stole from me. I need to know who is this first. Even my mood could not have allowed me to go. I'm even forcing myself to talk to you. I am not in the mood. Yeah? Even if you lose a pen, it is yours. Why lose it? I have lost. You hear the value. The value is it not almost 100,000? You say that is more amount. Where am I going to get tomorrow, even today? You see, like now, my family lives in Nairobi. I live here alone. I carry cooked vegetables from Nairobi. Why can I go to the market to buy vegetables? As you see me, no. My wife makes burgers for me, boil. I come with them. Even if it is meat, she boils Nairobi. I come with it, put in the fridge. I eat for 1 week. Now, what am I going to eat today? Last evening,
Homo waziri Eugene Wamalwa nigo abolira bamenyi korwase county ya Kakamega na boiga bamenyi ba Kenya bonsi ko babatwereru amo no kwenekyo murembe chinga kibone kigambere kenene gya Supreme Court kiganyereire abwankyo gochakorwa okonacha ase kina kya begetwe aroro anene korwasa bomabwa azimio la moja kwa mereria obobwi bwaye omuraibwe nsomachore Dr. William Ruto ase Wamalwa alino kwege na buna obomo bwa Kenya obomo bwa azimio la moja one Kenya mboche konyorobo ene bwabo abwa Raila Odinga na Martha Karua bagocha koraliwa ko baba bui asobacholi bwaita.
That justice be done on Monday, whichever way it goes, tukubali matokeo ya Supreme Court, whether you are blue or yellow. After Monday, we want to build a rainbow nation called Kenya, that can have all the colors, blue, yellow, green, red. We can't build a rainbow nation that is...
Sisi tuko na imani, tuanze kujiandaa siku ya Jumatatu kusherehekea, kwa sababu mliona ya kwamba wale jamaa walitumia, sisi hata tuonage siku hizi TV ya black and white, lakini wanatuletea forms za black and white. Ati sasa hiyo ndio majibu, ati wanataka tuamini, na hiyo tumekataa. Tunasema siku ya Jumatatu
tinga kicho igo kurwa sensemo ya Western abarai au bakura wano mo governor gosoka bono kurwa se county ya Kakamega Wycliffe Oparanya Dr. Mkisa Kitui amona barai bande ni gobono babulira bamenyi kurwa senseme yo ko babatoereru na gochamo buna egesaku kya baluya na koligia koreta amagenderero maega ya siasa koera na barai au gochorwa elio gocha gokora amagenderero kurwa sebyama au korengana na Oparanya nigatebire bono chinga kichaikire abantu bonsi bakubwaterana na gosukia ense ya Kenya bosio anene kurwa sorgongo rwa Western
18 ya Waluya. Mimi natoka kwa ile nyumba inaitwa ya Wamaramu kule Butere, na nyinyi wengi hapa Bukusu pia na Waluya. Tukitaka tuendelee mbele mpaka tuwe pamoja, tuheshimiane, na tuambie watu mambo ya ukweli.
Kenya yote imegundua kwamba Luyas can determine the future leadership of Kenya. Lakini Waluya wenyewe hawajagundua. Kwa heshima tu, tutafutane, tuwe wanyenyekevu, tujitahidi kwamba Jumatatu whatever comes liwalo na liwe, but have a sense about which direction it's going. Tuwe tayari to pick up the pieces and be proud members of the Kenyan society, the way Mzee Peter and the Wakomba family have been.
Kama jamii ya Waluya, jamii ya Western, ikiwemo Wateso, Wasapot na jamii zote, hata Mkikuyu yule hapa Kimilili na kwingine, sisi tufanye kazi kama jamii.
Mwanju muligereria omulikeito Josephat Hamisi nigara sensema ya Mariba egotoka ime ya Nyaribali chache county ya Kisii asagendera atia asia mateyemo ya Nyara ya abantu babo batato tukano omubebwe para litukuma ateyo kobo mwana obo skuru MTC na koira na gochanka bakanyora omubasokano yo na gusiria obugima abantu batato korwase amate eye marobotyo ruo ndocho koletera senchira yo boikerano kero cyaragire Chinsa 10 amo ensemo ne Chinsa 3 cyo botko rero asenchira yo boikerano igo kabaime TV mugusi ekaroto igana na yanda mange etuka ngatura atiwa magega olionakia buna chibicha namalio gya gwikira senchira yobotoera rukigima nigakorokwa omusae Jmo no lya tubatira nakomo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakorokwa Joshua Auta na inchena ko yaletera senchira yobwenge nigonkorokwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita na kuganiryo twaro botegereri borubya.